In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to do temporary homepage editing so that the rest of your community doesn't see the changes you're making while you're making them. For example, let's say you've got a homepage like this, but you want to make some changes to it. You want to maybe rearrange it a little bit, move some of the buttons around, maybe remove a section, add a section, change the links. But while you're working on it, which may take minutes or hours, you don't want it to be kind of in a state of partial completion for the rest of the community to see. So let's talk about how to do that. One way you could do that is you could go into the admin page for the home page. You could come in here and select everything, copy it to the clipboard, go over to File Manager, and create a new custom web page and paste it. But there's actually a little shorter way to do this. So if you come into the admin page, and scroll down to the bottom, you'll see this silver gear icon. And if you click that, it will take you to the Advanced Features menu. Here we have an option to copy the home page to File Manager in one step. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you'll see it has created a copy called homepagecopy.htm. Now, if I already had a file there called homepagecopy, it would put a number after it, and it will keep adding a different number until, to keep it unique. So we can now edit this page simply by clicking on this. And this takes us into File Manager, you can see here, and we've got the same page from our same content from our home page in the editor, and this file name is homepage copy. So we come in here and we do our edits, we make some changes, we can preview it as we're working on it. And when we're done and we want to save it, what we can do is we can check this box right here, copy to homepage layouts. And what that's going to do is that's going to create a copy of the current page I'm editing in the home page admin section. And I'll show you where that is. There's a section called layouts, which are saved home pages, and that you can pull up at any time and reload as an existing home page. So you can save off multiple home pages and then recall them at different times if you want to show different home pages. Maybe during the year you've got a winter home page and a summer home page and things like that. So we're going to do our edits, and we're going to check this box, and then we're going to go ahead and save it. And when we save it, now let's go back to the home admin page. I'll go into Manage, and we'll scroll to the bottom where the layouts are. And now if I click on the list of layouts, you'll see these three layouts are the ones that come with your website. But the one on the bottom here is homepage copy, which is the one we just edited and made changes of. So we could now, when we're ready to load that, we could click on that and say load, and it will load it into the editor. Now you won't see any changes here because I didn't make any changes to it, but this would actually show the changes here that were made in File Manager. Now at this point it's not live. It's just been loaded into the editor. So if you were happy with it and you've brought it over and loaded it, you could preview it and say, okay, that does look good. Does look like the changes I made. You can go ahead and save, and at that point it will make it the current home page and it will show it to you. And you'll see your changes, and that will be live for everyone. So these steps allow you to start with a base home page, such as this one, and load it into the File Manager for editing, make your changes, preview it, play with it, work on it, get it perfect, and then copy it back to the home admin page into the layout section where it can be loaded as your home page from the layouts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you very much for watching.